In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on spell checker in Outlook. This walkthrough is for Outlook on the web, so open your favorite browser and make sure you're signed in to your Outlook account before we begin. Turning on spell check helps you catch typos before your message goes out, which is especially helpful for important emails and first impressions. Start by heading to Outlook in your browser. Once your inbox loads, look toward the upper right corner and select Settings. It's the gear icon. This opens a panel on the right with your personal and mail settings. If you see a compact menu first, just keep your focus there. We're going into the mail-related options next. Inside Settings, choose Mail. This brings you to the main area where you control how messages behave, display options, and writing preferences. It's the home base for anything related to composing and sending emails on Outlook.com. Next, open Compose and Reply. This section controls how your editor looks and acts while you write, including signatures, formatting defaults, and writing aids. It's the logical place to adjust anything that affects your drafting experience before you hit send. Now, scroll to the message handling area. You'll find options that fine-tune what Outlook does when you're composing and sending mail. Message handling is where Outlook decides how to help you avoid mistakes and streamline your workflow. In that area, make sure the option labeled check spelling before sending is turned on. When this is enabled, Outlook will pause sending long enough to catch obvious spelling issues and prompt you to review them. It's a simple safeguard that can save you from avoidable errors. Most changes here save automatically as soon as you toggle them. If you happen to see a save button, go ahead and confirm your choice, but typically you can just close the panel when you're done. A couple of quick tips as you use this feature: spell check relies on the language settings in your account and browser. So if you write in more than one language, be sure your preferred language is selected when you're composing. Also, this setting complements the inline underlines you may already see as you type. The pre-send check is your final safety net. If your interface looks different, you might be on a work or school account with customized settings, or using the desktop Outlook app, which has its own spell check controls. That's it. You've enabled spell check before sending an Outlook on the web, giving yourself a reliable last check before your emails go out. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.